What's up, YouTube? Shawn with the Guaranteed Success Plan, and today I'm going to come at you with an Instagram algorithm hack. This is something that you should be doing every single day in your business to make sure that you stay top of mind, you're in front of everybody every single day, and you never fall off on the algorithm so that all the content that you're putting out is always being seen by your entire audience. This is super simple. All right, guys, so let's cut the fluff and get straight to it. Instagram is the current king of social media. It's the one that owns the game right now. That will change over time, but right now, Instagram is where we need to be spending most of our attention. It's also the hardest place to get attention because the most people are posting on it. It's not enough to put out great content anymore. I know a few realtors that put out stellar 10 out of 10 content, perfectly edited, 4K video, all this kind of stuff, and they get like 10, 15 views per video. The reason why, they don't have any attention coming to their account. It's not enough, and as a matter of fact, it's not even the main priority to be producing good content. The main priority is to be staying high on the algorithm so people see what we're posting. If they aren't seeing it, it doesn't matter how good it is. So let's say we think about you have 1,000 followers on Instagram. You see the same 50 to 75 followers again and again and again all the time. The reason why is because they've fallen so far down on your algorithm that Instagram thinks that you guys aren't friends and that they aren't coming to the platform to see you. And if they're not coming to the platform to see you, they're not coming here at all. They're not going to be exposed to more ads. And if they're not exposed to enough ads, they're not making any money. So the whole thing is to stay high in the algorithm so Instagram thinks that you're drawing the people over onto the platform, because when they're over here on the platform, they're going to be scrolling more and they're exposed to more ads, and that makes Instagram more money. So that's what we really have to understand, is that we have to stay high on the algorithms above everything. And it doesn't even matter. Let's say you went with Steven Spielberg himself and created a video. It would not get seen because you're so far low in the algorithm that you are irrelevant on the platform. All right, guys, okay, let's get into the hack really quick. So I'm gonna open up Instagram, and what we do is these first people here are the ones that we're actually seeing the most often. So these are the people that are highest in our algorithms, which means that we are likely highest in theirs. So what we need to do every single day is actually scroll to the back of the story, and these are the people that we interact with the least because they're low in our algorithm. And I'm telling you, if we're low on theirs, or if they're low on ours, we're low on theirs. So what happens is we have to get their attention back. How we get their attention is by liking and commenting on their stories and their DMs, and then they will likely comment and like back on ours. You can even go into some of their accounts. Like for example, let's say we click one here. So here's one. All we're gonna do is just give any kind of emoji symbol. So there's a clap symbol. We're gonna scroll over one more. There's a snowman. I'm gonna give a laughing symbol. It doesn't really take much time. These people in the gym, we're gonna give a fire symbol. So that's how we go through it. And now I'm gonna go into this person's account and I'm gonna see when the last time I actually interacted with one of their posts. So I go here, look, I didn't like their post, I didn't like their post, I didn't like their post. So this person's fallen so far down in my algorithm that we haven't communicated in probably weeks, if not months. That is a huge problem, because if I'm not communicating with them, they're dropping in my algorithm, they're not communicating with me, I'm dropping in theirs. Again, when I'm putting out content, they aren't seeing it. So what we're gonna do, we've already liked and commented on some of their stories. Now we're gonna start liking and commenting on some of their posts, right? So here's one with Santa. Great pic with Santa, okay? Next one, this one, cool house, cool kitchen. Wow, what an amazing kitchen. Okay, and then we're gonna keep scrolling and doing that more and more and more. Now, what happens is as we keep doing this every single day, we're no longer just wasting time on social media. We are harnessing the power of social media and magnifying our business. So every time that you put out a post, you're not gonna be exposed to 10, 15, 25 people. You're gonna be exposed to 100, 200, 500, 1,000 people. Imagine this, imagine you're making your warm calls or your cool calls or door knocking or whatever. You're trading time for money on a one-to-one basis. That means every minute you spend is only with one person. When you implement these strategies with social media, every single minute you spend can reach thousands of people. And then as you're putting out good quality content, you're putting out high value real estate content and entertaining posts that people like to engage with, that's food, fitness, inspiration, motivation, and memes, your account is gonna skyrocket in the algorithms. You're gonna stay top of mind, and anytime somebody has a real estate related question, or when they wanna buy or sell, they're gonna reach out to you directly. You don't even have to go and hunt people down anymore. They're just gonna come for you, but you need to make sure that you're staying top of mind by being top of the algorithm. That's the Instagram hack of the day, guys. If that strategy was useful to you, but you don't think you're gonna be able to do it every single day on your own, this is one of the reasons why I invented the GSP group, the Guaranteed Success Plan group. We actually meet up every single day and have a sales meeting about social media and strategies like this. And then for a couple hours every day on a Zoom, we prospect together. We actually have agents in the US, Canada, and Mexico, coast to coast, where we all jump on a call every single morning while on a Zoom. And we actually do a quick sales meeting. And then we make sure that we all prospect just like this for a couple hours. We hold each other accountable. We keep each other positive. We cheer each other on when we have any kind of problems. We mastermind every single day. If this sounds like something that you want to be a part of or that would increase your business, leave a comment below, send me a DM, send me an email. I would love to connect with you guys. This group is growing like crazy. And not only is it growing big because there's so much value in the group and we don't charge anything for it, all of the agents that are in it are doubling and tripling their business because they're dedicated to their business. We're making sure they're prospecting every day. We're making sure they stay employed every day. Anytime a problem arises, we're all there to help solve it. We are no longer a lonely island. We are a giant team, all helping and supporting each other that costs nothing. If you guys are interested, just like I said, send me a DM, send me an email, and we'll be checking you guys out at the next video.